Good morning. This is Craig Phillips, Real Estate at Copper Mountain, here today with an educational video to talk a little bit about these tax bills for 2024 that just came out in the state of Colorado. If you're interested in knowing a little bit more about your tax bills, how your taxes are calculated, stick around. We're going to be going over that. Okay, so jumping right in, I have gone ahead and pulled a tax bill directly from the Summit County Treasurer's website. I was hoping to pull this up, walk through some of the different things you're going to see on the tax bill line by line. So let's pull this up here. The first thing you're going to see in the top left is your property owner of record. Underneath that, the legal description of the property. Your schedule number, which is very important when it comes to identifying your property in county assessor or tax records. The tax area, there's a number of tax areas in Summit County. The tax area is where you fall on that map with the different taxing entities throughout the county. In Colorado, there are going to be numerous taxing entities that, depending on where your property is located, you may fall under their jurisdiction and pay mill levies to them. Property type, residential. Most properties we deal with here at Real Estate at Copper are residential properties. That property type can affect what your assessment rate is. If you're a commercial vacant land, if it's your personal property bill, your taxable value is going to be assessed at a different rate, which means that your assessed value could come out differently. Taxable value, assessed value. How did we get from taxable to assessed? In Colorado, your property is classified as residential. It means you have the residential assessment rate. So you take your taxable value of $1,787,200, multiply by the assessment rate, which Colorado residential assessment rate is 6.7%. So multiply by 0.067 to get your assessed value of $119,742. This assessed value is then multiplied by your mill levy, which you'll see over on the right. You have the different tax entities that fall within your tax area and the mill levies that are associated with them. So in this one in particular, Colorado Mountain College, Colorado River Conservation District, Copper Mountain Consolidated Metropolitan District, Middle Park Conservation District, Middle Park River District, Summit County has a 19.267 mill levy this year, Summit Fire and EMS, and Summit School District. When you add those mill levies together, you come out with a total mill of 74.0940. With this being a mill, you're going to move the decimal point 3 places to the left and multiply that by your assessed value to come up with your tax bill of $8,872.17. Your tax bill probably came in the mail sometime in the last 2 weeks, and you have a couple different ways to pay this. The first way is just pay it in full, which that full payment is due by the last day of April 2025. Or you can pay in 2 halves. First half due the last day of February 2025, second half due by June 15th, 2025. If you miss that first half payment, you will have to pay a full payment by April 2025. One thing that's confusing to a lot of out-of-staters is this is a 2024 tax bill. Why am I paying it in 2025? The state of Colorado charges tax bills in arrears. So you're going to receive your 2024 tax bill in 2025, payable in 25. This is why when you go through a transaction, you're going to estimate the taxes due when you're prorating the tax payments on the closing settlement. One thing to really understand about this as well is if you don't agree with your taxable value, you still have an opportunity to appeal the value from 2024 and 2023 this year through a process called abatement. You also are going to receive a new value right around May 1st of this year, which is going to be based off of what the value of your property was June 30th of 2024. There's obviously a lot more to dig into. We'll do some more videos on your new appraised value when we get around to May. If you're interested in this abatement process and appealing your value from the previous 2 years, certainly reach out. Email address, phone number below, and we will keep talking a little bit more about this as we get closer to tax season. If you like this video, like and subscribe for the next one. We'll see you next time.